my channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome to the Divine family. I'm your host, Karina Divine, bringing you a prom makeup tutorial. So this look is a very matte look, and that is totally my thing because I'm not really a glitter, shiny person. I know that's like a crime in the makeup world, but I guess I'm a little tomboy in that way. But so this is definitely something that I will definitely rock for prom. Would definitely rock for prom. I'm definitely too old for prom. So if y'all want to see how I got this fresh and classy makeup look, then please keep watching. Hi friends, it's Fresh Faced Me. So right now we're going to be putting on the Tarte primer, I don't know, and this is also the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is my new obsession. It is actually amazing, worth the hype. Yeah, sometimes we just gotta smear it on. So this is the MAC. I'm just mixing two MAC Pro Longwear foundations or whatever, and I usually blend those out with a little bit of oil too, because they tend to be a little bit more on the dry side, which is surprising because I'm normally an oily person, and yeah, it works like a charm. So basically I'm just baking my face because I'm an oily person, like putting all of that powder where it needs to be, because anything liquid you will always want to set with powder. And I just put a little bit under my eyes just to catch any fallout that we're doing. So I'm just taking a cool toned eyeshadow, Bobbi Brown eyeshadow, and popping that all over the lid with a fluffy brush, then a little bit more of a creamier color just in the lid as well. I'm keeping this kind of natural. It's really a basic eye look, and the biggest thing is just going to be the wing. So again, with the fluffy brush, I'm just like getting it to the brown color that I'm looking for. Basically, it's just the warm shades. I just want it to be slightly smoky but not over dramatic. Then I'm taking my MAC Fix, what is this called? Fix Plus Concealer? I forget what it's called. Pro Longwear Concealer. There we go. And I am slowly going in with a little brush and painting on a little wing there. And it is, just take your time with it. Take your time, honey. That's another reason why I really liked putting the powder underneath it, because it kind of draws a line for you. I used the Morphe sponge because it has a sharper edge on it, so it gave me the powder. I was able to draw out the powder in more of a line shape. And then because this is a liquid, I'm taking a really tiny brush, and then with a MAC eyeshadow in vanilla, just like patting over top of that liquid eyeshadow just so that it doesn't move anywhere, you know. And it also will help it stand out just a little bit more. Next up, I'm just defining my crease just a little bit more, just to give it a little bit more of a pop. And then blending that out, of course, because we do not want any harsh lines, honey. No, 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 no. And then I'm taking that same crease color and just going in. Was it the same crease color? I'm not even sure. And then I'm just going over top of the lid just to not have it be blank and stuff. I'm kind of taking those same colors that I put in the crease now and blending them out on the bottom. Make sure that if you're using a definer brush in the beginning, that you then blend it out with a fluffier brush, because it'll smoke it out and it won't look so like harsh and like there's a line. And then the white eyeliner really helps to bring out the eyes. So if you guys want to see my brow tutorial, I have it down below as well. And popping on some lashes and mascara, because lashes, I'm sorry, I just couldn't do that on camera. This is the Hoola bronzer. I also have a bronzer and highlight tutorial as well for you that I will link down below, but I really like this. I thought it was going to be too dark for me, the bronzer, but it's actually really nice because it only comes in one shade, but it's not bad at all. I probably will go to the lighter shade next time, but it's not bad. Then I just added this little NYX Gold glitter liner just on the tip, just to give it just a little bit of pop, because I'm not all about glitter, but a little bit. I have been obsessed with this ColourPop highlighter. Sorry I didn't show it, but I'll link it down below for you guys. It is amazing and it's super affordable and cheap. I got it at Ulta, and it's just this bright gold, and I just wanted to shine to the moon, so I put on an Hourglass highlighter on top of that, and I'm mixing these two Morphe blushes with a brush and I cannot go without blush. I think it just pulls together the entire look apart from lipstick. It is amazing. I will never go without blush. Like, look at how much more color I have on my face. So now it's time for the lips. This is probably my favorite part. No matter what, it's like lips I focus on if I'm not wearing any makeup at all. So this was a MAC, I forgot the name of it, just a MAC lip pencil, and now I'm putting my favorite lip shade by NYX. It's called Berlin. It's just this beautiful brown color, and then just to make it pop a little bit more, I'm putting a little bit of white eyeshadow in the center. It looks scary, but it's cute now, right?
Alright y'all, so that concludes this prom makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to tag me in any of your recreations in my social media listed at the end of this video and in the description box below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and until next time. My feet are sweating. Keep watching. In any of my social media. Blah, blah, blah.
Sometimes when you're here